Hi, I'm Ollie Kenchington and I run a small film production company in Somerset in England. I have brought you on location to let you get a glimpse of how we're using the Canon EOS R. We needed something that matched really closely to our C200 with minimum effort in post-production to get the two looking great together. The EOS R has been engineered from the ground up to match as closely as possible with the Cinema EOS range, to the point where it includes the same Canon Log gamma, it includes the same neutral color matrix, and those two things, they're easily kind of listed in a spec sheet, but they mean quite a lot because when you're matching cameras, the contrast and colors are everything. Those are the things that, if they are misaligned, that your viewer will notice. So having matching Canon Log gamma and the neutral color matrix that is identical between the two has meant that when we're getting back from interviews like this one and we're using our color charts, we can see that the two cameras match with no effort whatsoever. We simply manually white balance the two cameras as normal using our charts when we're doing the interview, and when we get back they are precisely the same look. The other big thing that's working towards making these cameras match so well is they both have the same base ISO, which means they have the same amount of power going through the sensor, which gives a very similar look profile in terms of how clean they are and how they're responding to light. We are very happy with the look and feel of the EOS R as a B cam to our C200.